back to the Clutch Your Closet channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Lmarkeinparis and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And as promised, today I am trying on the new KKW lip glosses. I think it's called like Classic 2. Maybe that's the name of the palette. I'm not really sure, but they're all nude and they're supposed to be like really good. So we shall see. I just wanted to like show you guys what they all look like. So you know the classic KKW packaging, it's like in this nude packaging. So let's get started without further ado. I kind of arranged them in order, so I guess the first one we're gonna start with is Nude 1. And I have my mirror here, and I have also a NYX, because I don't have her lip liners yet, so I have the NYX Makeup Professional lip liner in Need Me. So that's what we're using today, because it's kind of similar to the KKW. Okay. And I have my NYX mirror, so let's get started. If you hear sirens, like I said, I live in DC. Everyone knows that by now. But let's get started. Oh, I love it, the packaging. Let's line our lips. Should we line our lips? Yeah, we should line our lips, just in case. Let's line our lips. Lip liner in Need Me. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. I'm kind of nervous. 1. It's actually really pretty. Nude 1 with the lip liner. It's pretty. I love it. That's Nude 1. And I'm also going to swatch it on my hand so you guys can actually see like what it looks like on my hand, because sometimes it's different on your hand than it is on anything else. So let's just swatch it on my hand. Nude 1. I am so bad at swatching. But you guys can see that. It's kind of clear, pretty. It looks kind of iridescent. It's very like a pale pink type situation. That's Nude 1. Cute. Okay, Kimberly. Kimberly, Noel, Kardashian West. Okay, so now we're gonna move to 1.5, and I'm gonna swatch it for you so we can see the difference between 1 and 1.5, and it shouldn't be that much of a difference because I'm thinking like they're similar in color. Yeah, it's just like a darker, like a shade, like a tint darker than 1. So let me show you guys. This is 1 and 1.5. Let's try that on. Let's try it on. I have my makeup wipes here, y'all. I can try it on for ya. Okay. Let's wipe this baby off. Wipe it off. Guys, my lips are going to be extremely, well, I don't know if it's going to be chapped, because I kind of feel like these lip glosses are very moisturizing from what I can tell. So far, so good. Kimberly Noel. So far, so good. Okay, so let's, should we reline our lips? I don't know. Let's see what it looks like without a liner. This is, again, 1.5. So we're gonna see what it looks like without a liner. I feel like the liner is taking away from the gloss and what it looks like on its own. Sometimes my lips already look like they have a liner. I don't know why. I've said this in my other lipstick try on video. Okay, so that's 1.5 without a liner. So if you were to put a liner on, it's similar to 1. So that's 1.5. It's pretty. I love it. You guys know I love all nudes anyway. I don't care if they look similar. I still love them. So let's move on to 2. And let's see what it's like. It's probably like they're probably like all like subtle changes. Let me see. Yeah, it looks similar to 1.5, but it even gets a little more nude. Ooh, that's pretty. Do you guys see that? You see that? Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Okay, so let's take this off. That was the swatch. I'm gonna wipe it off. We're gonna wipe it off my lips. Okay, and this is 2. So I'm trying them on without the lip liner because, like I said, I feel like the lip liner is gonna take away from the actual gloss. So when I put this one on, it kind of gives me like peachy vibes. It has a little bit more peach tint to it. I love it though. Yeah, guys, I don't need any chapstick. These are so moisturizing. Good job, Kim. Yes, Miss West. That's pretty. Okay, so I really like 2, although it's similar to the rest of them, but 2 is bomb. So that's 2. And let's move on to 2.5. Oh my gosh, why is my street so loud? It's like loud for no reason. That's crazy. Okay, 2.5. Oh, it even gets more nude. I feel like this one is like matching my dress almost. I'm trying to put a lot on my hand so you guys can really see. So this is 2.5. Like it's almost close to my dress. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I'm in love with nude. Like I have an in love nude problem. Let me know in the comments if you buy new lipsticks and they look similar and people are like, why'd you buy that? You already have that. Like to me, you can never, ever have enough nudes. They never get old. And they're so easy. Like nudes go with everything. You know, if you buy like a purple lip gloss or a pink one, it's not gonna go with all of your eyeshadow. Like nude goes with any eyeshadow look. So I feel like if you're rocking nude, you can get away with anything. You can get away with murder, darling, murder. This is pretty. Okay, so that's 2.5. 2.5. And I feel like if you have a darker skin tone than me, these lip glosses will still work for you because all you have to do is either use it as a topper or add a liner. It doesn't have to be automatically a brown liner. You can use like a mauve liner if you want to, because a lot of people think because you're wearing a nude that you have to wear like a brown liner all the time. That's not necessarily true. So moving on to 3. We're almost done, guys, and it's 11 shades. So, and she also has a palette, which I have, and I'm gonna do a look on my YouTube channel with the whole entire palette, a couple of colors from that, and I'm gonna pick one nude gloss as my lippy. But today I just wanted to show you what they look like. Okay, so 3 gets darker. As you go up, it gets like shades darker, like a little bit darker. This is even more of a deeper mauve nude. So as you can see, all of the 2.5s and the 2 and the 1, like they were lighter, but this even gets darker. So that's beautiful. That's 3. Now let's try it on our lips, shall we? Ooh. This actually blends in with my lips. So I would totally wear this. You know, the makeup, no makeup look. This is perfect. So you see, oh, that's pretty. Okay, so that's 3. I want to leave this on, y'all. I don't even want to try on the rest of them because I'm in love with 3. 3 is my favorite so far. So that is 3. Let's try 3.5. It's probably like a tint darker than 3. Okay, 3.5. I love her packaging. Like, I love the squareness of this. Ooh, 3.5 gets darker. Ooh, it looks just like 3, but It's a tad bit darker. Let me see if I put them side by side. Let's see how they would look just for GP. Yeah, so literally 3.5 and 3 are almost the same. So let me put 3 above 3.5. Make sure I'm putting them back in the right boxes. I do not want to get mixed up with anything. So that's 3.5. Okay, this is 3. This one goes in here. Okay, so this is 3 and this is 3.5. See, very similar. It's just like subtle changes, like a hint darker than the last one. Okay, get this off my hands. I probably need a new makeup wipe, huh? Okay, so I'm trying on 3.5. Oh, I have it on my teeth. Okay. That's pretty. Ooh, pretty. It looks the same, but it's very pretty. Oh, Kimberly, you did your thing with these. I'm in love, girl. Miss West. Okay, so that is 3.5. I kind of want to get the lipsticks now because I just only ordered the glosses and the palette. But now I think I want the lipsticks too, because you can use these as toppers over the lipstick. That would be fire. So this is 4. 4 is even more, like just a little bit more mauve-y. Let's see. This is what it looks like on me. I stopped using my mirror and I'm just using the viewfinder now. Pretty. This is 4. You see? 4. And it's just as pretty. So now let's wipe off 4. And moving on to 5. Nude 5. Even gets darker. This is 5. Oh, look at my hairy arms. This is 5. So let's try it on our lips right now. Oh, something fell. I don't know what that was. Okay. So 5. That's pretty. 5 is very pretty. I like the darker ones for some reason now. I feel like the darker ones are even prettier than the lighter tone shades. I feel like with the lighter tone shades, you may need more of a liner, but with the darker tone shades, you could just wear them on their own, or you can use them as toppers. But I probably would just rock these on their own. Like, they're so pretty. Okay, let's go move on. Does she have 6? Yeah. Let's move on to 6. Okay, so this is 6. And try it on. Oh. I feel like this one, I don't know why it feels funny. It feels like a different consistency. Still moisturizing. Way more pigmented. Still pretty. So that was 6. Let's move on to 7. 7. 7's even darker. Ooh. Okay, so that's 7. Oh, it just fell. Look at that. By the time you guys watch this, it'll be 4th of July weekend, and that's exciting. So guys, be safe. Make sure you're washing your hands and wear your mask and stay clutch and all that jazz. And I think to end this video, I am going to keep on my Nude 8 because, baby, I'm about to go in DC and have on my Nude 8 and my glasses. Let me show you guys what it looks like with my glasses. This whole getup is going to be a vibe, honey. Okay? I'm going to keep this on. Go see my man. And it's about to be a whole vibe. Kimberly, this is a vibe, baby girl. I feel pretty. Okay, so that was all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, everybody, stay clutch. Bye.